Hello, and what we will learn in this video is how to approve time in the new SAP Fiori interface. This can be done in a few easy steps. Let's go over it now. First, open your browser. You can use any browser, whether that be Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. In the second step, in your browser, type the following URL and press enter. Also, feel free to pause the video and do this step. We also recommend creating a bookmark to this URL to make returning to SAP easier. Go ahead and do that now and press play when you get back. All right, we're on to step 3. Enter your username and password at the main screen and click Log On. Your username and password is provided to you by the SAP group. If you have any questions, call 5300 and ask for the SAP group for assistance. In step 4, you want to select My Inbox. What you are looking at currently is the Launchpad with all of the available tiles. But to approve time, you will always use My Inbox. The other tiles will be explained in another video. If any of your employees have submitted time, you will see a request in the All Tasks column. That's labeled with a number 1. Select that marked item here. That's labeled by the number 1. And then you will click the button labeled Open Task, labeled with the number 2 at the bottom of the screen. In step 6, you are now on the Approve screen. Review all time submitted for each employee. Then, to approve, select the checkbox in the header, labeled with the number 1, to select everyone's time. Then, click the Approve button at the bottom of the screen, labeled with the number 2. And that's all there is to it. Let's go over a few tips and details. Tip 1. To approve individual days, simply select the individual checkbox next to the date that you want to approve. After you're done, click the green Approve button at the bottom, labeled with the number 2 here on the screen. Our second tip, time can be rejected on the approval page. What you do is select a checkbox next to the time that you decided to reject, and then click the red Reject button labeled with the number 2 on the left side of your screen. In our next graphic, you will see rejection reasons. These rejection reasons may change from when you go to use this feature, but select the appropriate rejection reason first, then select the red Reject button when you are done. The time will return back to the employee that submitted the time and will see your rejection reason. They will have to make a change and then resubmit it to you at the appropriate time. Our third tip is about substitutions. This is an important concept to understand. Other managers under your job position may exist, and they have people who have time that they must approve. If they are unavailable to approve that time for unplanned or planned time off, then you will be required to approve that group of employees' time. So that's what's shown here. If you look at the screen, you will see what is labeled SAP NGA Time Approval Notification on behalf of, and we have an employee name there. That's labeled with the red number 1. To approve another manager or time approver's time, you would select that task on the left under the All Task column, and then you would choose Open Task. There you will see all of that time approver's employees, and you can approve time like how we discussed earlier in this video. At this point, we just need to cover our last step 10 of logging off. You will click the person icon in the upper right-hand corner and then select the sign out option. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. And if you have any additional questions, call extension 5300 and ask for the SAP group. We'll be happy to help. Have a great day.